So, everything was in order with this shipment. But what happens if something's not right?
Well, we check all the items from our suppliers to make sure they meet our standards.
Does that mean we have to inspect every single item that comes in?
Not exactly. The first thing we usually do is a quick visual inspection.
A visual inspection? What does that involve?
It just means taking a look at the items for any obvious issues, like damage. For example, if we get a drum of chemicals and it's dented or leaking, we'd reject it before we even unload it. Even if the packaging looks damaged, we might send it back.
That makes sense. But what about really large deliveries? Do we still have to check each item?
Not necessarily. For big deliveries, we usually inspect a sample, just a few items instead of everything.
Got it. And what happens if something fails the inspection?
Good question. If items fail, we have a few options. We can reject the whole delivery and send it back to the supplier.
But what if we need the items quickly?
Then we might ask for replacements. If the supplier has them in stock, we can arrange for a quick redelivery. Sometimes, if the items can be fixed, we might rework them ourselves to save time.
What if the parts aren't perfect, but we could still use them?
In that case, we might accept them but ask for a discount. The purchasing team can negotiate that with the supplier.